Nope. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Drape Fit unboxing. I am super excited to dive in because I feel like I'm starting to get to the point with Drape Fit where they're actually understanding what I'm looking for. As with all of my other Drape Fit videos, this was sent to me for an influencer discounted rate of $1, and I do get a credit, which somebody pointed out to me in the comments is not the norm. Unlike most subscriptions for fashion styling, you pay $20 for this, but you do not actually get the credit. However, the prices at Drape Fit are significantly better than what I've seen from a Wantable or a Stitch Fix, but I have to say the quality definitely reflects that in most cases. So it's been kind of hit or miss, and I'm really interested to see how this one goes. If you're interested in trying Drape Fit, I have a code down below where you can get your first box for free. Let's go ahead and open this up. Can't think of anything else that I would need to say. On top, we have our card. This has all of the information about what is inside of the box, as well as the gift card that they just sent to me, which is kind of lame that they don't send it to y'all, but whatever. So in here, they do have a little detailed note from your stylist, as well as an itemized list with the prices of each of the items. So we'll save that for the end. We have the same brochure we always get that I honestly don't think provides any value. The gift card they only send to me, and our bundle of clothing. And we do get a return envelope to send back anything we don't like or don't want, which in most cases has been almost everything. Here is what my bundle is looking like. We have some really fun clothes colors. We have some really fun colors and patterns in here. So let's go ahead and see what we actually have. First thing on here, nope. This is not for me. This is like a little blouse, and it has some zipper pockets. It's almost entirely see-through, and the fabric is not very nice. You can actually see some of the stitching is already coming undone. I'm hopeful that you can kind of see that on the camera, but I'm not sure if you will. I like the color, but this is gonna be a no already. I'll still try everything on. Then we have a super soft shirt. This is in a kind of Kelly green that I don't love. I actually think I have another shirt from them, from this brand, in a navy that I actually really like. So maybe if this ends up looking good, which I feel like it could, I'll keep this, but this is in a size small, which is very interesting. I'm not sure I would label myself a small anymore, but we'll see what it looks like on. What is this? Oh, okay, this is a little dress, short dress, romper? Okay, so this is a little romper. I have to say this material is really soft, and I feel like the print is pretty. It's like almost like a floral striped pattern. I'm not sure how I feel about this like ruffly collar, but we'll try it on and see what it looks like. It looks kind of small. Is this a small? This is a medium. Okay, we'll try it on. That one could be good. Is this another dress? Yeah, okay, this is another dress. This one's almost like an abstract, like a leopard cheetah print. I like the material of this. It's really, really soft. I've never heard of any of these brands before, but that is okay. I think this is a maxi dress, maybe a mini, but it's pretty. We'll see what it looks like on. Oh, ew, okay. Lastly, we got a pair of jeans. These are cropped jeans, which I honestly hate. So I already don't like these, but I'll try them on. They're size 6, but these look a little bit, I don't know. We're gonna see if these can fit around my legs. They look a little small. And they're just so short. Yeah, this is not for me. Let me go ahead and try all this on. All right, so I went to try on this shirt with those jeans, and the jeans do not fit me. Surprise, surprise. Definitely wearing the wrong bra with this. I just don't like this very much, honestly. It's not very flattering. It's not really doing anything for me. I don't think I like the color. It's just, this is a no. Okay, then I put on this blouse. I'm sure there's someone out there that would like this, but it's definitely not me. The sleeves just look like they're too short. This is just not flattering at all, and these zippers are super cheap. It's not a great material, and honestly, it's just not flattering. I don't like anything about this. All right, then we have this romper. I feel like this is just a little young for me and what I'm looking for in my life. Why can I not figure out how to tie a bow? It's not the worst. I have to say it's a little bit itchy, especially where there's like some gathering here. And I don't really like this ruffle thing. I feel like it's just giving like Little House on the Prairie meets a clown. I don't know, not my vibe. I feel like the length is pretty decent, and I don't hate the fabric, but otherwise I don't like it. All right, lastly, we have this dress. It's not horrible, but I don't really like it. It does have a lining underneath, which is a nice surprise, and I didn't actually notice it, but it comes with some red tassels, which I honestly would most likely take off because I don't feel like it fits the vibe. It's definitely more of a midi length. I'm trying to get the camera to show, but goes about like half calf. It does have pockets, and the fabric is nice, but I just don't feel like it's doing anything good for me. And it's just not my favorite shape, style, color, pattern, anything. So I feel like this one is gonna be a no too, but let's check pricing. So I decided to just leave this dress on while we do some pricing because it is hot and I clicked on my air conditioning, so I'm sorry if you can hear it. So first, what we have is the flutter sleeve print dress, which is what I'm wearing. This is $35.99, so honestly, not a bad price for this. Still don't think that this is my vibe, but for $35, it's not a bad deal. Then we have the green shirt. This is the long sleeve V-neck dolphin top, and this is $28.99. That's not horrible, but honestly, it's not great either, so this one's definitely gonna be a no. These jeans that did not fit me at all, these are from YMI, and these are $28.99. Really cheap for jeans, but the quality shows. We have this purple top. This is $28.99. I honestly don't think it's worth more than like $7, $8, so that's a no. And then this romper is $28.99. So that seems to be their favorite price. Everything except for this dress was $28.99. I have to say I'm really not impressed with this one. This is my 5th style from them, and honestly, it's just, remember at the beginning of the video when I said, oh, I feel like they're starting to understand me. I guess I was wrong because this is not great, and I don't feel like they're understanding my style. I don't feel like they're understanding what I'm looking for. I just am not impressed. So I have to say, not my favorite Drape Fit unboxing, but I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you liked any of these pieces, or if your opinion is different than mine, I would love to hear down below in the comments. So feel free to sound off down below and we will chat all about it. I really look forward to seeing you in my next video, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye! I gotta get this off of me. It's starting to get uncomfortable.